Are you applying for jobs but there is no response? Is it like that? So then today's video is going to help you, because in today's video, I'm going to decode a secret which is going to help you a lot to get responses from recruiters, from managers. And I'm going to take a real case study how to apply for a planning engineer job, how to read those lines, keywords given in those job ad responsibilities, and how to adjust your ATS resume with the help of AI. So don't go away. Watch this video till the end, because you are going to get many takeaways, many positive points, which can really change your career, change your next job offer and salary as well. Well, I'm engineer Waqas Ahmed. I'm the trainer coach for project planning control. And at the same time, I help people to have effective job hunting techniques. Before getting into the detail of today's video, I would request you people to subscribe this channel, so that in future, if I upload any kind of video relevant to skills, career or any other thing, you get that link on time. So let's move on to the screen.
So here we go, and we are going to learn that how to apply for planning engineer jobs in one of the top company. GE is one of them, right? General Electrics. And here you can just have to understand the first thing, like the job description summary. That is the first thing. Most probably people are going to miss it out, right? So this is General Electrics, were Nova Hydropower, North America division. They are going to hire planning engineers who will be based on site in Washington State. In this role, you will play a key part in planning and coordinating construction activities, major hydropower projects. The first thing is very important. You have to understand, first of all, hydropower, but in the major part of today's video, I'm going to teach you how to, crack down each piece of every job ad keyword, right? So this is like your job description summary here, right? So let's move on to the next one, job description. That is going to be a very, very important thing. Tip number one, first you have to take some time just to go through this one. And for example, I will first give you the complete detailed thing, that what company is actually demanding you, and I will be showing you on the screen that how those things will be performed, right, in very easiest and quick way. So stay there till the end of today's video, and make sure you are going to write in the comment section area. If you are going to write in the comment section area, randomly I'm going to pick 10 people to whom I'm going to give an opportunity to attend my upcoming Primavera P6 project planning control session, right? So here, develop and maintain detailed resource. No, company employer is demanding a guy to hire as a planning engineer must be fully aware of resource loaded construction schedule, which is actually level 4. There are different kind of project schedules, level 1, level 2, level 3, but this guy is more interested to the detailed level of planning, level 4 and level 5. When we talk about level 4 and level 5, it looks like this one. The project schedule is already there. Critical path method is already there, but resources must be there as well. See here, the man hours are sorted there. They are assigned with proper man hours allocation, each and everything. If your Primavera P6 project schedule is carrying this kind of depth and detailing, this is called level 4 and level 5 planning. So remember, this company for this job, they are requiring like this one scale. Then coordinate daily and weekly planning and site team. This is very important thing. As a planning engineer, you must carry that kind of skill in which you will be able to have such kind of progress reports, right? So weekly, monthly, nowadays it is very important, and it's very easy to understand with the help of Claude AI. If you have not yet attended any my live free masterclass, in which I'm going to give you people the complete comprehensive insights about AI, how AI is going to support you people, so you can write in the comment section area and learn these things. See, so that is how with the help of AI, earlier it was, people are doing with Excel, documenting the data and transforming that data into different kind of visuals. But now with Claude AI, with proper learning how to make your prompts, how to use the data in Excel, in P6, see, such kind of artifacts or links you can create, upload your XZR file, and in 1 second it is going to give you such kind of dashboard and such kind of thing. If you are familiar with how to do these things, yes, you are easily going to get such kind of jobs, right? So that is important thing. Now lead short-term planning meetings, like look at schedules, last planner session to line crews and subcontractors. This is something like if you have your project like for 300 days, every time you are not going to discuss that 300 plan in every single meeting. No. For example, you are living in this time, in this week, this is your present moment. Now you are not going to talk about these rest of 200 days. No. you are just going to talk about the next 10 days. So the to get focus on the next 10 days is called your look ahead plans, right? Only you are going to consider about the next 10 days, right? So that is important thing. You also get to know about how to perform look at plans. Like there are many things in Primavera P6 you can do with that one. And let me share with you into the filters. If I can right click here, and here is the filter you can apply, and you can see here there are look at plans. Here I can share with you, and in the detailed way I can even teach you, right? Like this one you can add some conditions. I have this is look at plan, and see, when all the activities are going to start, all those activities should be there who are having their start dates within the range of next 40 days, 10 days. So such kind of conditions with the help of filter you can apply, and you once you are going to apply, it is going to give you the next 10 days. And there is one more thing, spotlight. See, once I'm going to drag this spotlight, see, it is going to cover this much timeline in the next, see, this much, and all those shaded activities are actually supposed to get started within this time period. I hope you can understand. So these are very important things you need to understand, but company is going to elaborate them, showing their requirement. So track physical progress, earned value, productivity, and S curves and all that. Yes, tracking is a major demand by multinational companies. Yes, tracking is very much important thing. So earned value management analysis. Productivity means how you are going to actually calculate project durations, right? How much resources you are going to assign, and then ultimately how you are going to make your S curves, progress curves. We call them project profiles as well, right? So actually slippage means like how much your plan is going to vary from your execution. Okay, so that's what I'm going to share with you. See, if I can explain this terminology, track physical progress. When you are going to track your project, it can either be on timeline basis, it can be either on unit basis or man hour basis, or it can be on the physical progress basis, like quantity basis. So I can show you in Primavera P6, whenever you are going to track any project over here, I can open an other project like this one, in which you can see some execution out there. And here we are. I can uncheck this one. See, some of the activities are, see, this is called slippage. The keyword, like some variance is existing there. When your plan is not getting along with your execution, there are some differences, then there will be a slippage. You can see these are the bars. The lower, this bar is plan bar, and this is your forecasting future bar, like on the basis of your update of progress, right? So this is something you need to understand, how to update your project progress. So what I'm going to do here you are going to start journal tab. There are different kind of options you can avail. How to update your project progress, physical percent complete, unit percent complete. I can show you them step by step. See, and this is comprehensive learning, okay, for these kind of multinational companies. If you want to get shortlisted for such kind of jobs for multinational companies, you can write in the comment section area and make sure that you are really wanting to get into this field. My team is going to take care about you, and there are many tutorials I'm going to tag you in this video, and you can also visit the video details right over there, and there you can find Primavera P6 tutorials. But if you need job interview passing guarantee and you want to get into some multinational company, yes, I'm gonna make it sure you can also get interact with me. So, right, so here we are. So this is something how to update your project progress. Once you are going to update your project progress with certain steps, okay, so then you will get blue color is going to show you this thing is already done. Now on the basis of this project progress update, you can show different kind of, this is your S curve automatically in Primavera P6. And if I can get into this one like actual, here you can see that now this is something I can the same color actually. So what I can do here, I can change the color. Plan color is must be different. See, so till here this is called data date. Till here you can see easily the plan versus actual. So I can just make sure I can uncheck this one, because I don't need histograms. I need only S curves. So that is something I was supposed to achieve up till here. but I could only achieve like this one. I'm lagging behind. So as a planning engineer, you must have such kind of skills to get part into this such kind of companies, right? Identify and analyze variance between planned and actual work. So here I can tell you one more important thing. In Primavera P6, you can create your PMS. When I talk about PMS, right, progress measurement sheet, this is a big requirement by multinational companies, that the project planning is one thing, like project scheduling is one thing, right? Planning, scheduling is one job. How you are going to apply project management strategies, how you are going to utilize Primavera P6. But when it comes to PMS, progress measurement sheets or tracking sheets, you can do it with P6 and you can also do it with Excel as well. Okay, within Excel I can introduce to very amazing tool, Plexel. Okay, you can see their web's address, you can go there, download it, and I'm gonna share with you how to work on it. So here is Primavera P6. I can just take you 5 minutes and going to give you amazing vibes. So here we are. I can open one project, open this one. Okay, so what I need to do, first of all, this is project in a schedule in Primavera P6. I have to add all these columns along with this labor cost. Actually, you have to decide it on what basis you are going to track your project, right? This client is going to tell you. So after that, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to copy it. Okay, Control A, everything is selected, copy, and then I'm going to switch into the Excel sheet. So here we are. I'm going to create my, see, that is what I'm going to share with you. So Plexel is already installed in my Excel. Okay, so you can also get the same version, WBS coloring. In 1 second, it is going to convert my Excel sheet data into Primavera P6 based data. And if I'm going to click here grouping, oh my God, this is going to give me the different kind of project schedule levels, level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4, activity based, right? So these were the levels I was talking about. If you are going to add resources, something like that, this would become another level. So actually I am interested, there are many things you can enjoy with this tool in very single quick way, right? On the basis of single clicks. So now I am interested to create my PMS where I can see my variance, earned value management analysis. Here there is another dashboard, earned value management analysis. For that you need to have 2 XZR files of Primavera P6, one for planned and one for actual. But here I can create one thing. Okay, so on my program, I have Sunday off. Okay, I have to select my start date column. I have to select my finish date column, and I have to go for this budget labor cost. See, in one single click, you can see how amazingly it is going to share with you each and everything. Okay, see, if I'm going to change here data date, for example, the magic is here. For example, there is the date is 14th of August 2026. Now the automated formulas are there, right? So this is the day I'm living. For example, I'm just taking an example, right? So this is my data date, and it is automatically going to give me how much duration have gone so far, elapsed time. Okay, so accordingly, it is going to give me the information about all of these things, right? And you can see variances, but I have not yet incorporated my earned units. Once I'm going to put earned units from my site team, then there will be variance will be automatically calculated. This is amazing tool. This is only one feature out of this tool. You must go download it, and if you need more help, just write in the comment section area, right? So such kind of tools are really encouraged by multinational companies. If you know how to make your PMS reports, review technical drawings and synopticus to identify construction interfaces, access constraints, and sequencing risk. Okay, nowadays with the help of AI, it is very easy. A lot of people are suffering. Okay, how should I need to understand those drawings and all that? So I can show you very positive part of AI. Nowadays it's very easy, okay, to identify and read your drawings and all that. With the help of AI, you can easily convert your drawings into our BOQ into planning data, right? I can show you here. See, this is something like my BOQ, and I can give you the detailed version of this one if you are going to write in the comment section area. This is my BOQ. It can be your drawing. And if you are going to give a prompt to use Claude AI for your planning and control, on the above there, you can just click the link, and you can have the comprehensive video how to use this AI Claude version, right? It's most recommended for project planning and control engineer. So there in that video I have explained each and everything, and if you are going to write in the comment section area, you will get bonus prompts, each and everything. Okay, so with the help of this prompt, how amazingly, let me show you how BOQ looks like. See, that is the BOQ. Nowadays, companies are majorly demanding from you as a planning engineer that you must have a knowledge, skills to convert such kind of BOQ into planning data, like to get into Primavera P6 with this kind of variant, right? With this kind of activity. But when you get into that BOQ, you can see every single task is comprehensively detailed there. So which task is where, when to do that one, what is the next logic, right? What is the deliverable volume and capacity, and the task list, very comprehensive. But nowadays, if you are going to use right prompt, you will get exact result. Let me show you that one as well. See, I can show you here. See, this is the comprehensive thing. First of all, with the help of that BOQ, in which you can see there are storage tanks. See, I can show you. This is something like BOQ summary. This is mechanical storage tank, diesel tank, foundation, steel structure, and so on, so on, so on. See, and their detail is here. But when you are going to use that BOQ prompt, you will get such kind of results. See, the WBS. Now, a lot of people are getting confused with WBS and activities, and how actually first you need to get expert in your domain, in your career line. Then you are going to use those terminologies with AI, and AI is going to support you 200%. It is going to speed up your work 200%, right? So this is WBS, all the deliverable. These are the activities. This is your mapping with the existing WBS. Every single thing is there. So companies are going to hire those people who are going to actually help them in shorter time. Then support the preparation of schedule related claims, delay analysis, and claims management. There are different kind of stages. First, you are going to work in a company as a planning engineer or junior planner. Okay. Then you are simple planning engineer. Then you are senior planning engineer. Okay. For senior planning engineers, I always recommend delay analysis and claims management. There are different kind of methodologies: time impact analysis, impacted as planned analysis, windows analysis, and many more. As okay. So if you also want to learn this complete comprehensive skill, how to calculate your project EOT reports, write in the comment section area, and my team is going to give you the free 2-hour based tutorial in which you are going to learn all of those things. And then again, the S curves, how to generate them in Excel. I have explained already how to create your PMS in the same Excel tool. You can also find some tools automatically going to create your S curves, right? And then clarify and time schedule update and all that. See, basic qualification, company is demanding person should be with project planning and scheduling EPC projects. If you want to learn this skill with comprehensive real project case study, you can learn in very easiest way, in very enthusiastic and dedicated way with me. If you want to learn, write there in the comment section area. And remember, I have put up there one random pick for 10 people who are going to write in the comment section area. I'm going to pick them up and I'm going to give you, the something like a bonus. Okay, so but it's randomly. Strong proficiency in scheduling tools like Primavera P6 is there. So these things which I have presented here are real industry based tested, right? So don't ignore it. This is something I'm guiding you people. Like nowadays, if you want to get picked up by multinational company, it's not simple degree. You will your hiring will be based on that degree. No, you have to understand that skill like Primavera P6, the thorough understanding of documents, processes, industry-based things, right? Then inside this skill, there is project management, construction management, and then AI. AI has already transformed each and everything. So skill, AI, plus there is something like, the PMS tool. Or if you are going to train yourself into these kind of things, and you can claim as much experience as you have. Even you have recently working in site engineering, QA, QC design, and you are going to learn all of these things. Believe me, you can claim your previous experience and you can get remote jobs and field planning engineer jobs as well. Why planning engineering job career? Because in future you're going to become a project manager and having more job as compared to other job careers. So please make sure you are going to write in the comment section area, and that is how you have to decode every single job ad, right, to apply for the job. Okay, so make sure you are going to copy all of these things, right? Because this is something company is going to have in your resume. If you are going to show these all things in your resume, at that time company is going to hire you. So before applying, what you need to do, just ask Claude here, okay, I need to apply for this job. Give complete information about that job ad, copy paste here, upload your simple another resume, and ask this Claude to convert my resume into ATS resume because I want to apply for this job. Just make sure you are going to get shortlisted, right? So to learn many more amazing tips, keep following my page, my channel, and write in the comment section area for your more support and getting more bonuses. Thank you very much for your time.